Marhaba, and welcome to Res World Travel. Today we're diving into the heart of Istanbul, not by foot, but by water. Get ready to glide along the legendary Bosphorus Strait, where continents meet and history unfolds before your very eyes. As we depart, the historical grandeur of Istanbul immediately captivates. To our left, the magnificent Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque stands as a testament to centuries of change, shifting from a cathedral to a mosque, then a museum, and now, once again, a mosque. Just next to it, peeking through the trees, is the sprawling Topkapi Palace, once the opulent residence and administrative heart of the Ottoman Empire. Imagine the sultans and their courts living within those very walls overlooking this very strait. Leaving the palace grounds behind, we glide past Sarayburnu Park, a green oasis at the tip of the peninsula. And then, there it is, the iconic Maiden's Tower, perched enigmatically in the middle of the Bosphorus. Legend says it was built to protect a princess, or perhaps as a lighthouse, but its romantic silhouette has inspired countless stories. As we continue, we begin to appreciate the subtle beauty of Istanbul's European side, with its charming neighborhoods and elegant waterfront mansions offering a different perspective of this vibrant city. Up ahead, the historic Galata Bridge connects two lively districts, a constant flow of life above the water. High on the hill, the magnificent Süleymaniye Mosque dominates the skyline, a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture, a symbol of Istanbul's spiritual heart. And looking across, standing proudly, is the Galata Tower, a medieval sentinel offering panoramic views. We're getting a unique vantage point from here today. We also get a glimpse of Ataturk Bridge, another vital artery connecting Istanbul's shores. Now we are passing the modern face of Istanbul with the revitalized Galata Port, a bustling hub where the city meets the sea. Beyond it, the historical grandeur of Istanbul immediately captivates. As we glide further along the European shore, the opulent Dolmabahce Palace emerges, a dazzling testament to the Ottoman Empire's embrace of European grandeur in the 19th century. Built to replace Topkapi Palace, its lavish design blends Baroque, Rococo, and neoclassical styles, showcasing an era of immense wealth and changing tastes. This magnificent waterfront palace served as the primary residence and administrative center for the Ottoman Sultans from 1856 to 1922. And it's where Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the founder of the Republic of Turkey, spent his final days. As we approach the heart of the strait, we come face to face with the iconic Bosphorus Bridge, a breathtaking symbol of Istanbul's unique geographical position. This engineering marvel gracefully spans the waters, directly connecting the European and Asian continents. Opened in 1973, it was the first bridge to link the two sides, serving as a vital artery and a powerful visual representation of East meeting West. Further north, along the Bosphorus, another impressive structure emerges. The Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge, often simply called the Second Bosphorus Bridge. Named after Mehmed the Conqueror, this suspension bridge also connects the European and Asian shores of Istanbul. Completed in 1988, it stands as another vital link. And across on the Asian side, the exquisite Küçüksu Pavilion, a miniature palace used for hunting and leisure, offers a glimpse into royal escapes. As we continue, we begin to appreciate the subtle beauty of Istanbul's Asian side, with its charming neighborhoods and tranquil waterfronts, offering a different perspective of this vibrant city. Finally, as we conclude our journey, look up towards the modern landmark of Çamlıca Tower, a beacon of Istanbul's future, connecting its rich past with its dynamic present. What an incredible journey. And just like that, our Bosphorus cruise comes to a spectacular end. From ancient empires to modern marvels, this journey offers a truly unparalleled perspective of Istanbul's soul. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel explorations, and let me know in the comments which site amazed you the most. Until next time, happy travels.